Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 36-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter. This incredible device is here to revolutionize the way you print, and I'm excited to dive into its features and show you just how it can transform your workflow. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or graphic designer, this printer is designed to meet your high standards for image quality and precision. So, let's get started and see what makes this printer stand out from the rest. First, let's talk about the exceptional image quality this printer is capable of producing. With its 5-color inkjet technology, you can expect vibrant, detailed prints that are perfect for a wide range of applications, from technical drawings to stunning photographs. The TM-305 uses a combination of pigment-based inks, including cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and matte black, to produce a wide color gamut and deep, rich colors. This means that your prints will have a level of depth and dimension that's hard to achieve with other printers. Plus, with its high-resolution printing capabilities, you can be sure that even the smallest details will be crisp and clear. Another key feature of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 is its impressive printing speed. This printer is designed to keep up with your demanding workflow, producing prints at speeds of up to 2 minutes 20 seconds for a 24-inch x 36-inch image. This means that you can quickly and easily print out large format documents, such as architectural drawings, engineering plans, and posters, without having to wait around for what feels like an eternity. And with its robust design and durable construction, you can count on the TM-305 to withstand the rigors of heavy use, even in high-volume printing environments. It's also worth noting that CES Imaging is a Canon Platinum reseller, which means that you can trust you're getting a genuine Canon product, backed by exceptional customer service and support. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're investing in a high-quality product from a reputable dealer. And, as a printer only, without a scanner, the TM-305 is a great option for those who already have a scanning solution in place, or who don't need scanning capabilities. This also helps to keep the cost down, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 36-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter is an incredible device that's sure to take your printing to the next level. With its exceptional image quality, impressive printing speed, and robust design, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to produce high-quality, large-format prints. Whether you're a professional or just starting out, this printer is sure to exceed your expectations. So, if you're ready to experience the power and precision of the TM-305 for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing and take your work to new heights. Get your Canon imagePROGRAF TM-305 36-inch 5-color inkjet printer plotter now and start creating stunning prints that will leave a lasting impression.